How to shut down laptop using keyboard shortcut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, your PC should be turned on. Now in the keyboard, simply click on Windows X. You'll find this kind of screen. After that, click on U. After you've clicked on U, press on U again to shut down. If you want to choose any other options, what you can do is simply click on the arrow option, which is PGTN, and go down and press on U, and your laptop will be turned off. This is how to shut down laptop using keyboard shortcut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.